The Declaration of Independence was written in 1776. This document outlines all of the reasons the colonists believed they had a right to declare independence from Great Britain. The document can be broken down into 6 sections. The first section is the introduction. Here, Thomas Jefferson, who is the primary author of the document, uses the philosophies of John Locke to explain natural law, and that human beings have certain rights that the government cannot impose upon. The next section is the preamble. This is the most famous and most often quoted section of the document. It goes, "We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness." The next section is the most important. It's the indictment. Here Jefferson lays out 27 reasons and arguments why the colonists should be allowed to break from Great Britain. These 27 items are things that the King and the British Parliament have done to the colonists that they don't believe a government has a right to do. The denunciation is the final exclamation point on the indictment. The signers conclude that they will support this resolution that was proposed by Richard Henry Lee of Virginia, and the resolution is what started the process of writing the Declaration. The vote that happened on July 2nd actually is what gave the country independence, but the document itself wasn't signed until a few days later. Among the signers of the Declaration of Independence are some of the most prominent figures of the Revolutionary era. John Hancock was the president of the Continental Congress that voted to accept the Declaration of Independence. Thomas Jefferson and John Adams, who would both go on to become president, also signed. The youngest signer was Edward Rutledge at age 26, and the oldest was Benjamin Franklin at age 70. I hope that breaking down the document into these 6 sections helps you to better understand the importance of the Declaration of Independence.